Hi, welcome to Gigi's Bar. Today we're gonna mix a cachaça sour. Bitter. So today I'm gonna propose you an original recipe. I started from the marmalade sour I saw online, which was based on cachaça and lemon and orange marmalade, and I went around it. I was not quite happy with it. I changed several things. I came out with this recipe, which is still a cachaça sour. It still has orange marmalade, but it's way more bitter the way I like it. So let's get down to mixing. I have here this beautiful lemon. Let me get some peel first and let me squeeze it. We are gonna need 15 milliliters of lemon. This is huge. Then we go with 1 teaspoon of orange marmalade. I have here a marmalade that's quite low on sugar. Your mileage may vary, as they say. Then 1 dash of orange bitters and 50 milliliter of aperitivo Berto, which is this orange and gentian aperitif coming at 15%, which I'm really liking. I've been using it with all my white Negronis and stuff like that. It's nice, it has the right amount of gentian, but the orange in it, it's nice. It makes it a lot more palatable than the Suze. It's also cheap, amazingly. So win-win-win for this Berto. 15 milliliters of that, and then we finish with 45 milliliters of cachaça. I'm gonna use the Quinta, a fancy, really nice cachaça. I hope I have enough. Oh, barely enough. Perfect. Quick, lazy stir. Anyway, we are gonna shake this with some ice. And let's give this bad boy a shake. Let's double strain in our chill coupe. And then you might want to express some orange, but I have this super beautiful lemon today, so I'm gonna use the lemon, which smells amazing. And there you go, a cachaça sour, comma, bitter. Cheers. And that lemon, it's awesome. Nice. I think I achieved the right balance between bitterness and not that much sweetness. It just comes from the teaspoon of jam or marmalade, and this marmalade, as I said, is low sugar. And we are playing on the bitter orange theme a lot here, because we have orange, but of course not so sweet. We have orange bitters. We have a aperitivo Berto, which is also bitter and based on orange, and actually this is quite nice. I'm liking it. Well, the juice is lemon, it's not orange, but it helps with balance of the cocktail. Wow, I'm shocked how good this is, because I tried this recipe a few times and this is the best time, probably because of the lemon. I got this huge nice lemon from Japan, so it's fresher, the peel smells amazing, and I guess I balanced out also the other flavors better. Before I had 2 dishes of orange bitters, today only 1, which is perfect amount. My bitters, orange bitters, are from Scrappy, so they are really bitter. If you use orange bitters from Angostura, you might need to adjust, because the orange bitters from Angostura are actually sweet. So I don't know how they play in this context, but this recipe I'm giving you right now, really nice. And you get all the funky fruitiness of the cachaça. Oh, this is a good cocktail. perfect balance between sweet, sour and bitter. I like this. So if you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, comment down below, share with anybody you like and don't like. Shake yourself a cachaça cocktail, always awesome. And hopefully I will see you next time. Cheers. I got it! Finally, the Savoy cocktail book from my idol, Harry Craddock. It took 6 months or so, but it's finally in my hands. Of course, the same thing is freely available online, but I just really wanted it to keep here in the kitchen, so every time I have a doubt, I can check it. And I will have a special video for you for the Savoy cocktail book coming really soon.